Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add your GoDaddy email to your Gmail. First of all, open your mail.google.com or your Gmail on your web browser, and then you have to click on settings on the top right corner, click on see all settings. From here you have to select accounts and import, click on it. Now from here you have to select add a mail account, click on it. A new tab will open. From here you have to enter your GoDaddy email address. After that you have to click on next. You will select POP3 and click on next. Now again you have to enter your email address once again and paste that, and you have to enter your GoDaddy email password. Once you have entered the password, now in the POP server you have to paste the same exact POP server which is mentioned in the screenshot after entering your POP server, and then you have to also copy the port number, which is in our case 995. You also have to check always use a secure connection, which is SSL. I will check that and click on add account. And then on this page you have to enter your SMTP server, in our case which is smtpout.secureserver.net, and we also have to copy the port number, and then it will tell you congratulations, we have successfully located your other server and verified your credentials. Now what you have to do is go to your GoDaddy email address, which is web-based email, and then click on confirm, and then you have successfully added your GoDaddy email on Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.